An expedition to Antarctica claims that they found a space-time dimensional portal. Antarctica will never cease to offer surprises. The most remote and most inhospitable, coldest continent on Earth could hide a veritable archaeological museum under the thick blanket of ice that surrounds 95% of its territory. Scientists from 46 countries around the world have been conducting the most unimaginable research for more than 50 years there, and strange and incredible scientific phenomena are always happening in Antarctica, some of which are still unexplained. This is why reportedly this happened to a group of British and American scientists May 2018 in Antarctica. The researchers were working on a joint climatology program when they saw an event like something out of a science fiction movie. An unusual high-altitude vortex that did not move, despite high gusts of wind moving the clouds around. Initially, it was thought to be a polar storm, that is something like the northern southern lights, but the static nature and unusual haze surrounding it led researchers to investigate the phenomenon. They set up a weather balloon attached to a winch with a radio probe to measure physical properties such as temperature, relative humidity, pressure, and wind speed, and a scientific timer to record reading times. The object was then released and sucked into this vortex for the time strictly necessary for the measurements. After a few minutes, an alarming result came back. The chronometer marked the date being January 27, 1965. And all the calculated data showed values incompatible with the normal characteristics of a tornado. The experiment was repeated several times and always with the same results. One of the scientists who participated in the various tests, the American Marianne McLean, not only confirmed the incident but also emphasized that the whole incident was reported to the Military Intelligence Service and to the White House. From facts, it appears to be a space-time portal. And that is a type of a tunnel that allows not only a geometric displacement in space, but also a temporary change, a kind of round trip in time and space. It may seem paradoxical to some, but what happened in Antarctica could find a logical explanation. At the beginning of the last century, two scientists created a gravitational tunnel or a wormhole, that is, a shortcut from one point of the universe to another that would allow you to travel between them faster than the distance of light through normal space. This shocking event coincides with another amazing discovery made by American satellites and published in the Daily Galaxy magazine: the presence of an ancient structure under the soil of Antarctica. The discovery has sparked the curiosity that U.S. soldiers are hiding the discovery of a UFO or a large technologically advanced device. Up to now, the U.S. authorities have denied any archaeological discoveries in these latitudes, but as an official of the European Parliament said, the discovery is so great that the entire scientific community continues to wonder what is coming to light in this region of Antarctica. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.